Hey Fahad, this is Dana from Bill Jacobs in Joliet, and I told you I'd give you a quick video walk around of the 2007 Chevy Avalanche LS that you were interested in. As you can see, the exterior of this one is a nice black. Give you a little close-up of the wheels. As you may or may not know, the back panels of the truck do come off for extra storage. I'll show you the inside. You do have power locks and windows on this Avalanche, as well as power driver seating. You can see this one has the ebony cloth interior. You've got your lighted vanity mirrors up here. You do have an extra seat in the middle of the front. It folds down and there's your cup holders. I'll show you the back also. You have cup holders back here as well. There's your 2007 Chevy Avalanche. Go ahead and give us a call if you want to make it in to take it out for a test drive. Our number is 815-741-6975. We hope to hear from you soon.